Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can find USDT address on Binance. Now if you want to get the wallet address, you need to click on, you need to log in into your Binance. You can do the same steps on your phone, Android phone or iPhone. You just need to download the Binance app. But if you are using the web version, you want to follow the exact same steps that I'm showing you right now. And by the way, you can do the same steps on your phone. So you want to click on wallet, you want to click on fiat and spot. Now after guys you click on fiat and spot, what you need to do guys next is you want to find here USDT. Okay, you want to search for USDT here. As you can see, USDT, this is it. Now you want to click on deposit. In the action section you want to click on deposit. As you can see next to USDT, you want to click on deposit, and you want to click you want to select the network. So go with BNB Smart Chain, and this is your wallet address. Make sure if they are sending you USDT, make sure you tell them that they select the same network. Okay, if you select other network, your funds will be lost. Okay, they need to select, when they are trying to send you the USDT, they need to select the same network, BNB Smart Chain. Okay, and this is your wallet address. You just want to send them your wallet address. Okay, hopefully this video guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Please drop a like and see you.